Free money is literally sitting on the table, and most renters are walking away from it because they think renter's insurance is too complicated to figure out. Here's the truth about picking the right policy. Start with your stuff. Walk through your apartment and add up what it would cost to replace everything. Your laptop, clothes, furniture, kitchen gadgets. Most people underestimate this by thousands. Next, look at deductibles. A $500 deductible means lower monthly payments, but you pay more out of pocket if something happens. A $100 deductible costs more monthly, but less when you actually need to use it. Pick based on your emergency fund size. Premium ranges vary wildly. You'll see anywhere from $15 to $50 monthly. The difference usually comes down to your building's age, location, and how much coverage you want. Don't automatically pick the cheapest. Liability limits protect you if someone gets hurt in your place. Start at $100,000 minimum. If you have any assets or decent income, bump it to $300,000. It only adds a few dollars monthly. Personal property caps should match what you calculated earlier. If your stuff is worth $30,000, don't get $20,000 coverage to save $10 monthly. Here's your screenshot checklist. Calculate replacement cost of belongings. Choose deductible based on emergency fund. Compare at least 3 companies. Check liability limits, match your situation. Verify personal property coverage amount. Read exclusions for high-value items. Ask about discounts for bundling or safety features. The policy you pick today could save you from financial disaster tomorrow. Most claims happen within the first 2 years of renting, so don't wait till you think you need it.